told me, babe, I was the other side.
Hi loves, it's Natalie, aka High Maintenance. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy. For this video today, I'm just gonna be taking down my twist out, showing you guys how I get it to the shape and volume that I like. Sometimes I watch a tutorial and they take down the twists, they do a little bit of separating, and then all of a sudden it has volume, it's defined. I want to show you guys how I get all the way from A to B when I'm doing my twist out takedown. Before we get started, I just want to talk about this brand called Shop It's a Curl Thing. They are Black owned and woman owned. So they host natural hair events and they offer some really cute merchandise online. And what I really like about this brand is that they really focus on creating a space for naturals and aspiring naturals to feel accepted and welcome. I don't know about you guys, but especially during the beginning of my natural hair journey, I felt like there was a little bit of judgment, especially online. I feel like people were a little bit harsh, natural hair bullies, not the most welcoming environment. So I think it's really important to focus on an accepting space. Also, a huge thank you to Shop It's a Curl Thing for sponsoring this video. I got this really cute t-shirt from them that says "Hey Curl Friend," which I think just again ties into that, you know, being welcoming of other naturals. Every time I see another natural, I'm always looking at them like, oh, I'd love to go ask her what product she uses. And like sometimes I do. It just kind of like ties into that theme of just, you know, being accepting of each other, really helping each other embrace our natural hair and our natural beauty. And that's why I really like what this brand stands for. I also wanted to mention that they do offer quad pay, which means that you can buy something now and then pay for it over time without interest. And if you guys want to see how I go from these twists to a pop and twist out, just keep watching. So these are my curls from my twist out. To do this twist out, I use the Jane Carter Curls to Go Untangle Me Weightless Leave-In Conditioner. And then I use the Theraveda Organics Fresh Whip Styling Foam. Comment down below if you guys want to see me actually do a twist out with this foam. So I hope this video was easy to follow along, and I hope you guys were able to learn something from it. Again, big thank you to Shop It's a Curl Thing for sponsoring this video. Definitely check them out. They have plenty of cute merchandise like this Hey Curl Friend t-shirt on their website. Again, they are Black owned and woman owned. I will put all of their information down below, their website, their Instagram, their Facebook. I'll also have a coupon code down below. And again, I want to remind you guys that they do offer quad pay, which means that you can buy now and pay over time without interest. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and turn your notifications on to make sure you guys are notified when my next video comes out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!